All right, so we have two equations, and we're trying to figure out the product of these two equations when they're multiplied. That is, we multiply x times y, so the product is outcomes of multiplication, x times y, right? So we have y here, a minus 5, and x over here, 4a squared minus a plus 3, right? And we want to distribute one at a time, right? A's into this, and then the negative 5 into this. So we'll start with the a. Focus on the a first, right? A times 4a squared. And then a times negative a. And then a times 3. Right? And that gives us this. 4a cubed, right? We have 4 times 1. 4 for the coefficient. And then 2 plus the coefficient of a, which would be 1, giving us 3. 4a cubed. Minus, now we have, add the coefficients, 1 and 1, right? They're always there, the 1 if there's nothing there for your variables. And that gives us a 2, right? So we keep track of signs, negative, negative, and then 3 times a is just 3a. All right, now we want to do the negative 5 portion, right? So we want to distribute negative 5 to each term in our trinomial. Every term in the parentheses, right? So we get that. Keeping the same rules, right? So we want something important, right? We have a negative a times a negative 5. 2 negatives gives us a positive, right? Positive 3, negative 5. We want to keep track of the signs, right? This is 4a squared minus 5, right? So that's going to give us a negative. 4 times 5, 20. There is no variable there. And then we want to combine like terms, right? We want to combine this and this, right? And we get this right here. And now we want to combine it like terms. You want to be organized, so highest term to the left to the lowest term. For your variables, that's the exponents, right? There's cubed, squared, a to the 1, and no variable here. So, and then combine like terms. Voila, 4a cubed. So that's not number 1, right? That's 17a squared, negative 17a squared. So 4a could be number 2 or 4, right? So next is 21a squared in our next term. That has both of them. And the third term is 8a over here. And this is 8a, and this is negative 2a. So it is number 4. Thank you.